So we are in any day high mode, and obviously we're moving faster than the 5-minute chart. 17 and a quarter is actually a measured move target for later today. Don't know if we'll get it at all, but that would be our primary target today, I think. And we can go to any day high. So for now, that half gap area, this 7 area is going to be a very important support, which we said that a good possibility it could. So squeeze trade is on from yesterday, and this is a continuation trade that, you know, if you bought early and held your trailer and said, the heck with it, we're going up, that's how you win. You have to be able to hang on to a trailer and assume you're not going to get shaken out, if that was your play. And since everybody in the room said they thought 11 was going to get taken out, we had strong consensus. So first things first, when you get your primary target hit, you want to take some profits. And then after that, if you want to flip and come backwards, that's up to you. On a day like today, I say take your profits, and you don't even have to worry about shorting. And not that we can't come back, but you've already had a good day. So don't get too fancy. And we've had a weekly breakout. We had a large target hit already, but we've got higher ones. So I'm expecting we may get some chop for a while. So if you dump it, if you take profits, you give it one more try, you know, to buy if you want. And the other thing is just set a trailer and just say, okay, as long as I don't bleed back more than a couple points, I'm going to stay in it. See if I can't get up there and tackle that 17 and a quarter area. Because we have had a breakout, right? So I'm looking right now as an important support right behind it. So don't let it get below 10. That would be my, you know, if you've already made a few points, why would you risk, you know, 3 points to make 2 more? And it could be we get like a summer Friday, you know, with this snowstorm where we come out of the gate and then get to the targets and then shop around for a while. Probably at the pace of like a 2 or a 3. And it's fun when the wind is at your back. It won't always be, but this is a continuation trade from yesterday. And if you get near that 17 and a quarter target, 1650, 17 and a quarter, grab it and say hallelujah. And that's the importance of remembering where breakouts are. Because once we get a breakout, a lot of traders are using that as their resistance. And then when it gets taken out, then obviously you want to think about it as a support zone. And I usually like to think of it about there, give it a point. Yes, agreed. Move your stops up. Nice post. Thank you, Jason. And we've been in that for about a half an hour now. We said the first measured move part could be like 16 and a half to 17 and a quarter. and move your stops up. Great trade. Anybody that came out of the gate and understood the dynamics of this, the half gap traders are really the ones that cause this today. It doesn't work first thing. Okay, that 11.5 area, don't let that beat you. And if you're playing hit and run, it's hard in a smaller range. And sometimes you'll give up 5 points or so, and then all of a sudden it'll go back and you'll get that last point, you know, and you say, oh, I took my stop out and I could have, you know, what did I do that for? So, you know, there's no hard and fast rule about this other than as long as you're in the trade and you're comfortable with it, sit with it. And a lot of times we'll get this, I said, we'll get backing and filling, but still making higher highs. So in my opinion, anybody that got this first target area here, 1375 to say 14.25, you should take profits. If you don't have a trailer, if you've only got one, you know, don't be silly. Yes, you're going to miss a few points if we keep going, but you want to get paid. And this is a squeeze trade. 30-minute chart. Remember we said this is the one. I said that this is the right chart. Look at it. This is what you live for, this kind of a push from this chart. On the money. And then when that thing breaks this high and starts to scream up here, you do nothing. I said if we go across, anybody that takes your profits, no worries. But I said if you want to hang on to a trailer, we could get a little luck this way today. This is the luck part. You know, a continuation trade from yesterday's reversal. So on a reversal day, you expect morning after trend day to continue. Great trade. Anybody that's got this and you're ready to go home, just do it. I'm not sure we'll get those last couple points this hour, but I think we will get them perhaps before the day's over. If not, so be it. We'll get a very choppy day then. And anybody that wants to short, since that's our target, then say let's use 17 as resistance for now. We still do not have a demon. And it's a fast chart, a 3. 5-minute chart back here. Let's call that support. And we had a completion target at the 21.75-22 area. And we said yesterday, if that's true, then this is going to be a big buy area for the boys. So all we know is so far that that part of it has held true and that they have bought and they have used the squeeze. So guys like Jason, you got trailers, hang on to them. Just don't let it bleed back against you and give up too much. And you've already had a good day. So no worries. And I'm not expecting a dramatic reversal today, but I do think we'll get some backing and filling before we're done. And until proven otherwise, here's your angel right here, RTH. So anybody wants to hold this, you've got another few minutes to hold it. And then by the end of the IB, you want to make sure that you've locked some profits. Good trade. Way to go.